Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to Leo Native. Today we are going to set up a clean project with React Native, Expo SDK 55 and NativeWind 5 to use Tailwind for style. In the terminal, run this command npx create-expo-app at latest expo 55 template blank. When the installation is done, go to the project folder, cd expo 55, and now run npx expo install Expo Router, React Native Safe Area Context, React Native Screen, expo-linking, expo-constants, expo-status-bar, and react-on. Enter. Done, everything is installed. And now let's configure navigation with Expo Router. First, in package.json file, update the main property. This tells Expo to use Expo Router as the entry point. Second, in the add.json, add this property, scheme. This is used for deep linking and custom add URLs. Third, create a structure. In my case, I use this structure. Folder src, inside folder app, inside create underscore layout dot jsx. This file is the root layout where all screens are connected. Create an index. This is the first screen. We use index.jsx because Expo Router uses file-based routing and index is the root route. Now, as we check package.json, everything is updated. Perfect, our Expo SDK 55 project is ready. Now, let's add Tailwind CSS with NativeWind 5. We follow the official docs for Expo. First, install NativeWind, copy and paste. Make sure it is version 5. Second, install Tailwind, copy, command, paste. Okay, then create postcss config. Copy This command and fast. Create global CSS. Copy and paste the code. Third, run expo customize. Select a metro config. Then copy and replace the config. Fourth, import styles. Import global CSS in our file layout.jsx because this file loads all screens. Fifth, override Lightning CSS. This is important because NativeWind file need a specific version of Lightning CSS to work correctly and avoid build errors. Okay, delete package loop JSON, then run npm install. This makes sure all versions are correct. Excellent. Now run this project. First, run npx expo-start. This command checks that everything works fine. Okay, start with Ctrl+C. Then run npx expo run Android device. This runs up on an emulator or real device. On Windows is more common run in Android. On Mac is more common run in iOS. Now the app is running. Go to index.js and replace styles with the Tailwind classes. Done. In less than 10 minutes, you have a full project with Expo SDK 55, NativeWind 5, Tailwind CSS, ready to build your app. Subscribe and see you in the next one. And remember, stay hungry, stay coding. Bye bye.